out of goal. The Black Bears trying to send it in, and they will do so. An early salvo in the Americas Championship as the Black Bears go on top 1-0 early on in this Americas Championship.
As Abby Kramer on the end of that one and scores the goal for UMaine, 2-0, Abby Kramer.
Cross trickles back to the top of the 18. Maine shoots and they score! That might be the one that does it for Maine. 3-0 Black Bears after a strike from the top of the 18. As the Black Bears win the Americas Championship in 2024 with a 3-0 victory